Some of the young thing, you know, when I touch road with my bridging them, and it's like this Japanese, the bag of Japanese music, man, it just like give me one blood migraine. What is? What is this? Brother, what that? Cut that. That not ready. That not ready at all. I don't understand. I don't know what he's saying. No disrespect to Japanese music, but it is not it. I'm introduced to some real music. You might not understand the music, but it's real music. Sakaza. Hey! Bombay pan floor against wall. Resex them all to them ball. And the girls them sugar, that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall. Hey! Hey, real music. Yeah. Yeah, you're officially Jamaican now. Get in here. This is Stiffy. Oh, your underwear. Let me rub it. Stick it. Jam it. Don't get sex though. Nothing compare to reggae and dancehall music. Like, what thing just turn up. So this next song, this is like a song like, remember that video I sent you on Twitter? And then it was like this guy was like, yeah, so this is a song that is always played.
I know it.
You know it?
Yeah. You download it.
Oh. Yo, like this song?
Yeah.
It gets like, it's like a song. I literally, like, you go to the parties and they just start bend over. Back way. Hey. And then it's like, you know, you're whining the girl. You know, you're giving her a nice little dance, like you're whining, grinding and stuff. And then this part comes on and it's yeah. You're just going like yo, you just go wild. I love this song. Mercy, mercy. Ooh, I can usually sing, but right now I can't really sing now because you know my cold, you know I go. I heard a little rumor last night. She wasn't doing you right. Oh man. No. Oh God. We get the thing them, so them have to wait. Do we take it? I don't really know this song. It's like I forgot the words to it. Rah. What I have to say with me still, you know, because me drink the whole of last night. Hey, Tanaka, hungry? Is that a restaurant? Pull over. Yeah, pull over. Yeah, pull over! I'm hungry!
I'm trying.
Hey, don't blame me. Blame the liquor. Pon the river, pon the bank. Do the pon the river, no? Pon the river, do the pon the river. Do the pon the river. Like this, kick out your foot them. Yeah, kick out your foot them. Hey. You know like you kick out your foot them? Yo. Back then, me used to run the dance, you know. You know, back then, you know, like the Willy Bongs, everybody here do the Willy Bongs. Just Willy Bongs, everybody have to do the Willy Bongs. Willy Bongs, everybody need to do Willy Bongs. Willy Bongs, everybody have to do the Willy Bongs. Willy Bongs, alright, do faster now. Everybody here do the Willy Bongs. And then even the beach, we have the beach. It's summertime. Every massive have to come along. Go for your zone tan in the summer, so. You go to the beach, come on. Yeah, it's bad, don't it? And the summer, Big tune! Free world boss! What more may come from me now? Pretty girl just a pose like them, you know. And the tongues them around them long, you know. Inna the shield, these no. Uptown full of funny now. ATI we are going now. Dream weekend coming now. Tanaka. Not the police that. Not the police that. Right. Alright. Just stop. Let's just keep. Alright, just drive. Drive a green light.